My name is Mike Lima, and I'm the founder of Journey.ai. I'm going to walk you through our application here today and show you how it works. So we're going to start from the dashboard, and once you log into the application, you're going to be coming here. Now, obviously, I have an account already, so I'm going to have a bunch of things on my dashboard. But if you don't, I'm going to show you the process of how to get to here. So we have a bunch of AI personalities that we can create here in our application. It's kind of the bread and butter of what we have. And we can go ahead and create a AI, what we call agents, and we can give it a name. So I'm going to go ahead and give this name, call this agent Lauren, and I'm going to say she is a funny, go lucky person who loves coffee, traveling, food, budgeting, and shopping. And I'm going to give her a personality basically. And if I can't think of anything, I can go ahead and add different types of traits just to kind of help add to what's there for the bio. So I'm going to select educated, nerdy, funny, whimsical, adventurous, and I'm going to go ahead and create that. And now what it's going to do is going to essentially create a whole personality for us. It's going to create a photo, and it's going to give it a persona that we're going to see in a second. It's going to introduce itself to us, and then we can utilize that AI agent to help us create different types of routes that we can take as we travel. So right here it says, here she is. Hello, fellow travel enthusiasts. I'm Lauren, your AI travel agent extraordinaire. With a passion for coffee, exploring new destinations, trying delicious cuisines, sticks to a budget, finding the best shopping deals. As you can see, she's kind of telling you who she is and how she can help. So now that it's done, I can go ahead and create a journey. And now for the second part of our application is now that we've created an AI agent, if you will, or travel friend, travel buddy, I can select the one that I want to potentially utilize in the location that I'm currently in, or I can search a location if I want. So if I want to go to Boston, I can search that and create something there if I wanted. But for now, let's do just where I'm located in Princeton. And let's say I want a half day tour, and you can go ahead and select different types of time frames, whether you have a whole day, half day, a couple hours you want to kill. It's the beauty of the application. It can kind of map everything out based on the time frame that you're looking for. So then you're going to come to a question with a bunch of or a screen with a bunch of questions. It's gonna ask you if it's just for you, couple, friends, family, large groups. It's going to factor that in. And then obviously for this demo, it's just going to be me, but in this next section, if you're looking for something specifically, we have a bunch of different tags that we can choose from that we might be looking for in the area that we're in. So maybe I want to see some landmarks, sightseeing, maybe I want to see some history, some art, some museums. Maybe I want to go see some coffee or get some coffee. And generally, it should be it. Let's say something outdoors. So then it's going to ask me if you want to include a food stop. It's going to essentially find a food stop along the way. And then it's going to say, how do you want to take your journey? Walk, car, bike. So for now, we're going to say we're going to walk. I'm going to leave my budget around $40-ish. And then I'm going to go ahead and create it. Right now, it's mapping out a whole itinerary for me that I can utilize within a couple seconds. And then I can follow that itinerary. So right now it's telling me that I have a 7-hour itinerary that is not too expensive, but not too cheap. And there are 4 locations for walking that I can check out. So it's taking into consideration Princeton University Art Museum, the Battle Monument, grounds for sculpture, and then it's telling me I can stop by Rojo's Roastery for some food. What it does take into account is how long you're going to spend in each section. So that's why right now it's giving us kind of a wide window. I can spend a couple hours at the museum, or I can spend an hour at the museum. Now, what's really great about the application and what makes it really powerful is right here, the agent's asking you, is there anything you want to change? And so this is where the AI is going to get to know you as a customer, and it's going to go ahead and give you better recommendations in the future the more you interact with it as you create your itineraries. So in this particular instance, I'm going to say, choose a different restaurant, and I am in the mood or Mexican. And it's going to go ahead and try its best to see if it can find something that it can replace. It should keep the original itinerary, looks like it did. And right now it's giving me Agricola Eatery, not so much Mexican, but it is farm to table. And then we have a roastery still in here for coffee, since I said that I wanted to look for coffee in that earlier aspect. So there it is. So there's food. So if I hit start journey, it's going to go ahead and map it out for me. Obviously, if I'm walking, it's going to take me a while to get there. So I would obviously have to drive there. But in the event that I'm in the actual town, which is only 10 minutes away, I can go ahead and start walking around and do what I need to do or drive to the locations that I need to drive to. And that's Journey. That's us as a company. That's what we're doing. This is the application, and we have a lot of new features coming out and a lot of cool things that we are going to be adding in the coming months. So that's who we are, and we're really looking forward to potentially working with you guys. All right. Thanks so much.